April. Hi
Yeah,
everyone,
I can. Hi.
are you listening me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Well, I will show some example about the pipes, and then I will show an example about the component communication. In the first point, I will show this. Um, I will do some simple example about these pipes in Angular. The first one is the pipe, uppercase, lowercase, etc. For example, I have a system in Angular that is running at this moment. For example, I will show you. Okay, I will display an date, and I will use the a pipe to format this date. For example, if I look the documentation of the pipe in Angular, I will see that his the format. Um, we will use the pipe. For example, to use this, I need to put the expression or a variable, and then I type the pipe, and then I type date. Um, Optionally, I can put some format. The format will be set and some this, for example. Okay. Um, for example, I will declare a variable in the TypeScript file for the component hello one. Okay. For example, my date is the data type string because it's of January 2022. I want to display this in my HTML. I will display with a p element, big one, for example. And here I am using the data binding. I will display the variable my date, for example. This my date. Let me show how to see this in the page. Here display the date. Okay. We can format this date using a pipe, light, short, medium, long, it's full, etc. For example, to use that, I write pipe and then write date, and let me show how to display this. It's seen differently the format. I display different format. For example, if I like to show um, how to see medium, for example, this is the format that will be displayed. Medium. Another one is long. Another is full, etc. I I must to change this and so save all. This is the result. Different format that you can um, show you or display you date. Another example of pipe is uppercase. Uppercase is to change all the character of an string to uppercase. For example, I declare another variable, for example, my name, Edgar. Okay, I will display this in uppercase format.
So, Edgar, sorry to interrupt you. Uh, is anyone recording this or
Okay.
is video recorded or not?
Okay. This is an original name. Will be displayed that is okay, and then I can format this to different format. For example, I will change my name to uppercase.
Am I audible, guys?
Yes, you are audible.
Uppercase.
So, I'm just asking that is anyone recording the video or not? Suppose if that would be helpful for those who is not attending right now.
I think so. This screen also screen recorder. Edgar also record. I think so. Screen recorder is also running in this.
There are a question.
Yes, Edgar, I'm asking, are you recording this video or are you making the video of all this working or stuff?
I am recording using Google
So
Chrome
we must,
extension. Do you have a problem with this? You see, can you see the my screen?
Yes, you send when
Yeah.
but
Yeah, you continue, Edgar. We can hear you.
Okay, can I continue?
yes,
Yeah,
we
please
can hear
continue.
you, Pankaj, but start recording.
Uh, 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 uh. Start recording here.
Yes.
Yeah, Edgar, continue. I'm saying continue.
Okay.
Raghavan, we will discuss later. Continue, Edgar.
Okay.
No, but when everything is completed, then what will be recorded? I mean,
I am recording this presentation. If you like, I can share with you.
yes, you share after class.
Okay, thank you. Another pipe is lowercase. I will use in here, for example, lowercase. Let me see. Let me see how this is displayed. And here, the first format is the normal of original variable. The second one is uppercase, and the third is the lowercase. And this is okay. This is the form that you must to use the pipe in Angular. You can use it in HTML, and you can do a custom pipe, but I will show this later to show at this moment the component communication, if you like. You have a question here? Any question? No? Okay. To show, I will show the component communication in Angular. There are some form we can communicate different components. For example, I will explain this by this presentation. The first I need to know is that an structure of an application in Angular is something like this. For example, we have an application in Angular. This application can contain one module, another module, etc. You can have different module in your application. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, etc. Inside a module, you can contain some components. You can contain some service too, some directive, etc. Okay. In the other module, you can contain the same things. So the communication between components can be do between, for example, inside the same module. Component 1 can communicate con component 2, etc. And the communication will can be do through the different module. I can communicate one component from the module 1 to another component to the module 2, for example. Okay. The first communication that I will see is the communication from parent to child. To do this, I will use the directive input. Visually, you can consider this. I have a component that is a container. This is a container from to other component, for example, a child component. This means that you can have a component displayed in your page, and inside this component you are displaying another component. These components are childs of the first. Okay. The communication is from the parent. For example, I have a variable here in the parent component, and I want to send this variable to the child component. So the communication is between parent to child. Okay. In this form, I will communicate information from parent to the child component. Let me show how we can do that. If you like to follow me with this example, I will start it from 0. Okay, so I will do a new folder where we make a new application for this example. For example, I will do in my C unit in the folder TMP. I will create a new folder, communication component. Okay, in this folder I write the cmd to open the terminal, and I write the command ng new communication. Okay, I say yes to add a routing in my application, and I select the CSS, the first. Okay, you can select another, but I will select the CSS. This is finished in 5 minutes. Or maybe finish before. I will open um, another Visual Studio Code to work with the new application to see how we can communicate different components in an application. I will show some strategies to communicate between components. I will show 4